Welcome back. This morning at the USP campus, the Cook Islands Voyaging Society held their first day of a 2-week intensive training program that will see a group of young ones learn to sail on board the Waka Marumaru Atua. The intensive training program that will be running over the next week will involve both theory and practical training and will be taught by Master Navigator Captain Peia Batare.
It's just the first one. So we're learning from it, everybody's learning from it. Behind the scenes, they have the projection, the executives of the Voyaging Society.
The Cook Islands Voyaging Society are very excited to see this program begin and help guide yet another lot of young ones into the Waka family.
Tātou te ikia mai e waru o toi aki te patianga te rechita i okoto, tira o nei a mātou te tututonga te waka. Pira katoa te UNESCO, te partner no tātou, i te āriki te okoto e te ara mai, no te api, i te tere-tereanga o te pēu Māori, a ka pēa te aka tere waka. I ki te tātou te nā te karerea te rumitua, i te ruane rea mamatai te ki pēringa te ewangeria. Nā mata tātou pāmutua te ria tātou i te waka, i te eri ko te rātou pai, ka reo rātou ama. Nō rira te reo reo nei mātou, roto, te o tātou koapi i a pia, te waramakaru turu i a koto te koapi, no te api i a koto ea.
This program is supported by UNESCO, who are also looking forward to seeing how the program goes, further strengthening their partnership with the Cook Islands Voyaging Society.
They were very, very supportive. The Voyaging Society is known to UNESCO, not just with the program for today, but programs that have come before us. And so I think that partnership with UNESCO is a great one. So like I said, you have our support here at the National Commission. I hope the weather over the next little while is complementary to this program's needs. And yeah, I wish you all the best of luck, and can't wait to see the other opportunities that come out of this program as well.
Today's introductory session began at USP, where the students got to know each other and hear more about what they will be learning over the next couple of weeks.
We're doing a Waka program where we do our theory work. At the moment we're on our theory until Thursday. Then we start. In the morning we come to do the class, and then in the evening we go on the Waka.
Just preparing us for next week trip to Aitutaki. And yeah, we're just doing introductions. This morning, just an easy morning. And then later on we'll be going to get familiar with the waka, like memorize. And then tomorrow is like a swim twist, but as we go we're gonna be learning. It's like a learning progress. So yeah,
it's good to learn. For me, personally, it's good to learn what has been done in the past and to revive it again. Like now, it's really, really good, and it's a good opportunity to do that.
Yeah, like he said, to engage more into our ancestors, their knowledge, and to revive back.
On Monday next week, the crew will depart for Aitutaki, where the waka will be dry docked. The students will also be a part of this process.
You guys are involved in that also. Taking the canoe down so that you know the canoe parts. Okay? And then we'll fly you back home. We'll go to Pune, and then we'll have a presentation and wrap-up program in Pune. We'll decide it like that get done. We'll get about the certificates. Like what I said, everybody's gonna pass. Yeah, because we gonna make you pass. We're gonna teach you to pass that. But it's not that joint program where you fail or make a target. No, it's not. We gotta work as a team. So that we benefit from it. As a whole, you as a person. Ito buwan nila, tato.